Hello, I'm LiQWYD and welcome to another episode right here on Ray Report. So here we are at the Oyarifa Park, a gated community by leading real estate company Indigo Homes. Now the leading real estate company is hosting a fun and party get-together. So Ray Report is here to bring you some sights and sounds here from the Oyarifa Park.
no falling, sorry. Waist, toes, shoulders, cap. No. Knees, toes. No. Let's move back. Head, cap.
Hi, my name is Leah, and I am a guest of the Swatsons.
Hi, my name is Enid Swatson, and I am here with my sister and some of my friends.
Yeah, this has been a nice experience because
We get to meet the neighbors, we get to interact with one another, and just get to know them better. Go ahead.
yeah, and it's been like nice meeting all these super nice people, interacting with them, playing with the cameras and playing all these fun games.
games.
Yep, the food, candy, drinks, and the coconut. Great idea.
I hope we have this every year, honestly.
Yep, thank you.
Hi, I'm Emanuela with my sister.
Frema. We are President O Street 220.
We've had a good time. We've been able to network with other homeowners, met people. The photo booth was my favorite part. We've had a good time. Generally, we are grateful to be here.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, everybody.
And a Happy New Year.
Hey, boss, we live from Accra. We had a great time, man, today, good venue, good people, great community. We're just, happy to and blessed, share the space together. And yeah, really thankful and grateful, so thank you so much.
I'll be engaging the commercial director of Indigo Homes, Madam Anne Moronge, who will be sharing some insights with me about Indigo Homes.
My name is Anne Moronge. I'm the commercial director at Indigo Homes. We're the developers of Oyarifa Park and Oyarifa Park. Today we were celebrating the successful opening of Oyarifa Park to our residents. We have sold 185 out of the 200 homes we've built in this 15-acre community. And so we were celebrating the homeowners who have their keys, who are living within the community, who have believed in our dream as a developer, and our vision, and they've entrusted us to deliver homes in a community where they love to live. So today we had over 125 of our homeowners and their families within the community coming to celebrate together, get to know each other, and just bring the community to life. It's a great milestone for us as a developer because we started developing in late 2019, and 2020 we had our first sale out of the 200 homes. Soon after COVID happened, but our homeowners our buyers, they still trusted us to deliver despite all the challenges that came during the COVID period. We knew there was a lockdown, development slowed, importation of materials slowed down, but still they trusted us. They continued buying the homes, and they trusted that we were going to deliver the homes that we promised them at the point of purchase. This is very unique to Indigo Homes because we have seen a lot of developments going through challenges because of the COVID phenomenon and the economic state of the world at large, and you find developers have slowed down. But for us, because we have a promise to keep and a name to protect as the leading developer, we are an award-winning developer, 3-time best developer in Ghana. So we need to keep that name, and we need to deliver the promises we have given our buyers, and that's why for us it was important really to hold this event and to appreciate them, because they walked the journey with us. At some point, of course, because of the lockdown, we slowed down development, but they were not worried about whether we're going to deliver the promise or not. They were patient with us. We kept communicating with them. Our doors were open, sending them pictures, inviting them to come over and see how far we're going with the development. And to this day, where we have only 10 homes remaining to build, we're already starting to build our clubhouse, our pool. We've already done the first part of our central park. We have a whole 2 acres of green space, and we've already done our first part where the party was. So for us, really, it's because we are delivering a promise that we gave to them, and for us, this is really a great milestone.
They go with the tagline, love where you live. And of course, if you live at Indigo Homes, certainly you will love where you live. I'm LiQWYD, and thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.